How to review past questions on QANDA. First of all, open the app and make sure you are logged in. Next, tap on the message icon from the bottom of the screen. Then navigate to the history or past question section in the top right where all your previously asked question or solved questions are stored. Or you can scroll through the list to find any questions you want to review. Tap on a question to view the full solution, step-by-step explanation, and any notes you have saved. You can also revisit questions you bookmarked or saved for easier access during exam preparation or review session. By regularly checking your question history, you can ensure more efficient studying and be better prepared for tests and exams. Now you know how to review past questions on QANDA. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more study tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.